Warning, kaking ko yan ahead. Hello again everyone, this is Gracia, and I'm back with another video. Nag-post ko sa Facebook nga mag-question and answer video ko, and here I am. Nangita kong nindot nga view for you to enjoy as well. Dili na ko buhaton ang question and answer. I actually came here with my sisters, pero di sila ganahan mo appeal, so I'm doing this alone again. It's just me. Let's start. Akong gisago ang question. So first question is from Jedalis Federicos. Yan siya, Ate Grass, what is your dream job? Char. Jal, ang akong dream job kay artista. Ganahan ko mag-artista. Liro ba akong acting dyan? Crispin. Basilio. Char. Jal, I love you. Ayun, napapasunod nga pa shoutout. Shoutout to Jedalis Federicus. Move on ta sa atong second question. Second question is from Almark Fabi. Ngan siya, pinaka-worst na nangyari sa'yo. Pinaka-worst na nangyari sa akin is, I don't know. I can't really tell. Siguro katong nadamag ko. Worst na damag. Natrauma ko sa bike. Di na noon ko kay ba mo bike. Di na ko kay ba mo motor. Kay natrauma ko. Kay hapit ko ma-crash. Mao siguro to. Yung hindi siya, shoutout ko na shoutout. Shoutout to Almark Fabi. Third question is from Chikay Closa Guerrero. Hi Ate Chi, ingan siya. Nangata na siya. Bakit sobrang bait mo? Mabait ako, te. If you're wondering Tagalog, it's because they're waray-waray people. I love you. Taga-Tacloban. Hindi ko ka-accept nga buutan ko, te. Thank you for the compliment. Char. Ate Me, bakit daw sobrang bait ko? To be honest, mas buutan ka na ako. Mas mabait ka pa kaysa sa akin. Wala akong masasabi. Super thank you for telling that I'm kind. Move on. Next question is from Ana J. Amor Fuentes. Except sa BTS, kinsa imo uyab? Uy, ay paging ana. Wrong. Bawal na. Loyal ta sa BTS, okay? BTS lang forever. We have to stay loyal. Next question is from Myra Faye. Ingon sa Myra Faye. What is your weakness? Ano siya ako weakness? Baki? Palaka? Frog? Makonsider na ang weakness? Huh? So, ano siya akong weakness? Sabi ni ate, pagkapangit ko daw. Me, you know that's not true. You know I'm pretty, right? Makaiyo. Akong weakness kay, let's say, overthinking na lang. Kasi I overthink a lot. Tapos di makaka-focus pag nag-overthink ako. Okay. Move on na sa next question from Merly Ibon Gusela. Yeah. Yeah, question kay, how are you to find out? Kumusta? Hi everything. Miss Everything Vlogs. Hi everything. How are you to find out? I'm good to find out. I don't know, Merly. Why did you ask that question? But thank you though. Next question is from Angelo. Kung gipangdakop ang maot ug naong, asa man kamo tago? Sorry, not guilty. Char. Hoy, gwapa man tatanan. Way batig naong, oy. Ayaw, ana, Angelo. Way batig naong. Gwapa tang tanan. There are dogs. They're barking at my sister. So, as I said, way batig naong, okay? Di ta manago, way manago. Okay, di ta madakpan. Kaya mga gwapa tang tanan. Next, from Nixie Gusela Gapayaw. Ngan siya, what makes you happy? Just by being me. Love Yourself by BTS. Of course, I listen to music a lot. It helps a lot. And be with my family. I hope you're happy too. I hope everyone's happy. You and me, everyone. Thanks for the question, Nix. Next question is from Mernalyn Gusela. Iya pangutana kay ngano gwapa man ko. Bitaw, igsoon good ta. So gwapa ka kay gwapa ko. Char. Di ka gwapa.
Apil ko, gwapa sad ko.
Bati siya naong. Sharay na lahi na akong tanan. Charot. Oh, igsoon man ta tilin. So, it comes naturally. It's by blood. Inherited. Charot. Just accept the fact. Next question is from May Ibon. Ngota na siya. What makes you uncomfortable? Uncomfortable? Siguro, baki. Sigbalik-balik ang baki. Mahadlo ko magbaki. Masay feeling sa uncomfortable ba? Siguro ganang di ko paminaw na ako yung istorya. Uncomfortable na. Yes. Attention seeker ba ako? So uncomfortable kaayo kung di ko tagdon nga mutagad kog una. So mao na. Kuan ba ako tabian ko. So that pretty much is it is. Thank you B for the question. Next question is from Maria Catherine Dagsaan Bohol. Grabe ta sa siyangan. Nangota na siya, alin sa mga bondings natin ang pinaka na mismo? Tagalog na naman from Tacloban. Makdo. Char. Hindi, makdo lang. Nagkakape. Ba't ba? I miss you, Beb. Kikay na ko eh. Yuck. Warning, kaking ko yan ahead. More kaking ko yan pala. Kakikayan, kaking ko yan. Thanks for asking that, Beb. Next question is from Lilia Estrira Ibon Gusela. Hi, Ma. I know it's you, Ma. Of course, I know it's you, Ma. Pangutana niya, kay pangutana ko no sa nagdamgo. Kung makakwarta ko no ko og 1 million, asa ko na ako gamiton o kinsa ang una na akong tabangan. First of all, thank you for that wonderful question, mother dear. Unsa akong gamitan? Siguro pagpaayo sa balay. Ayo sa balay niya kinsa ako una tabangan. Kita. Tabangan nato atong kagalingon first. Matabang man ta kung kaya nato, no? I know I don't need to be rich, pero kung naa may pinakaunang tabangan nato ang atong kaugalingon at first para mas makatabang pagdaghan. Yan. Ayan na, para mas dako ang maitabang, you need to improve ourselves first. Thank you for the question, Ma. 1 million na, Ma. Untag, magdilang anghel. Next question ta is from Jaiho. Ingon siya, Malabs, unsay ganahan nimo sa dagat, high tide or low tide, and why? Mingaw na jud ko kayo sa dagat diha. First of all, Malabs, I miss you too. Charot. Ang dagat day ang na-miss. Kuan, high tide or low tide, both pwede. Kay high tide, I get to swim kung high tide. Kung low tide, manawang gihapon og saang. I get to swim also kung low tide. Manginhas. Mano, ug gabi eh. Kung high tide sad, ma-enjoy nimo ang clear water nga deep, laom. So, whichever, my loves, it's very good for me. Ma-enjoy na ko both. Next question ta from my loves gihapon. Another my loves of mine from Jenaline Gontinias. Nangota na siya, until now ba may mahal ka pa na naging ex mo na? Pila raman akong ex, oy. Wala na, my loves. You know how it worked. It did not work out well. No, my loves. That's a no. A big none. No. Zero na. Thank you for the question, my loves. Thanks for supporting me. I miss you. Next question is from Simon Perry. Hinga na siya. Are you single or taken? No, I'm still single.
We don't care.
Someone asked though. Naaday na ko ta na ganin akong naaba ko iyab si Hera, si Anna J. So no, I don't have any. BTS lang. I'm loyal.
Di nga.
BTS is life. Single ko na is the new trend these days. So be single and be happy. I'm happy. I'm single. I'm happy. What's the problem, dude? Charot. Nothing. Thank you for the question. Next question. Awan na di ay. Nahuda na tag question. Kay gamay ra. Why curious na ko, Joy?
Nobody cares.
Nobody cares. Charot. They cared. Oh, they cared enough nga nagkuhan sila question. They support me. Thank you so much for supporting me in this video. So guys, maura to. Diri na lang ko to. Enjoy ninyo ako ang kilid-kilid nga view diri. Bukid na to sa bukid sa Mansirat. Kapilar. Kamotes. Apilon ko na sila kay view ko na sila. Charan! Hi! Maura to. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Video pala.